Well, today's a good day. I got a model that I've been waiting for a while, and I need to finish a diorama that should be posted soon, because I need it to spread gravel. So, let's get to unboxing this thing. See if I can... Come on, stay there, phone. There we go. I'll slit this first. As you can see, I was nice and duct taped over who it was to, who it was from, and where it is, because I'm still not going to tell you that. A lot of random articles. Probably discounts on shoes. I hope this isn't a box of shoes. Nope. It ain't. And I don't know if I'm able to show you this bag because it might have a place on it. So I'm not gonna. Sorry. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. So here is what it is. It is a Joel compact Caterpillar. I want to say a 12. Yeah, it is. It's a 12G. It's in 1/50 scale. Well, we'll see how nice it is. I actually got to see what I think is a 12. But I'm not positive if it's a G or before that. So, every time I go to my grandma's, I go out there and look at that. And it's in much rougher condition than this. It's like the cabless version. So I think it might be older. Okay. It's nice, and these expanded polystyrene tray things. There we go. Let's get all this. Yeah, it just sits in there. So here it is. Sure does have the oscillation on the front axle like they said on the box. Huge oscillation. As for turning, turns very sharply. And that's my dog down there. Some of you that I know from not YouTube have seen the dog. Nice dog, it is. Or she is. looks like. So yeah, the moldboard turns. I'm not the best on graders, so I don't really know what everything is. I can tell you this piece is a circle. That's about it. It has some, I guess you'd say it's tilt. I don't know. On the blade, you can rock it back and forth, it seems like. There's my dog. Right over there. Right there. Nice dog. She is. And it's got rippers like the one that I saw at my grandma's. Sorry, I'm doing this with no tripod. And some of you must know how that is. This looks like if you adjust that grub screw, you could set where the moldboard is. I don't know. But I bet that's what that's for. And I bet that's what I'll do. Back wheels have quite the suspension on them. Really moving. So now on to depth. I must say it is fiddly. It is. May have to lean you back up against the focus. Damn it. There we go. Shoot. Piece of hockey tape. Man, that's... Oops. Sorry about that. There was some wind. Sorry about that. Man, those are some stiff cylinders. But yeah, the moldboard does go down. Or the circle, I guess. It's actually lowering the circle. I guess I'll say that. I must say, quite the bit of functionality for something so old. Does the rippers go down too? Oh. Everything does. Well, thanks for watching. You'll see it in the diorama soon. And, you know, just go out there and have a good day. Sorry this was so long. See you next time.